Hello, and welcome back to your Signpost Messaging Hub. And welcome to today's training video on making calls from your Signpost Messaging Hub. When you are making a call to a client, you know that every second counts. You are just as busy as your customer, and you want to make sure you're delivering as much value and top tier customer service as possible in that short amount of time. Now, that might sound like you need to have a perfectly scripted plan for every call, but the good news is you don't. In fact, just a few simple key practices can make a big difference in the quality of your calls. Let's go over and show you how to make a call from the Signpost Messaging Hub. Let's use Olivia as an example. If you click on Olivia's name, it will take you to their customer profile page. This will show you relevant information about previous calls and previous text messages or Facebook messages if applicable. These are always good to review before you make a call to make sure you are up to speed on all the current information in regards to your customer. In the bottom right hand side of the customer profile, you will see a blue button that says call. When you click this call button, it will instantly connect you to Olivia's contact phone number listed here. You are always more than welcome to add a new phone number in the top left of your screen under new, or you can search for an existing phone number in the search box. Now, the important thing to know when you are calling a customer, in this instance, Olivia, your call will be coming from your Signpost account number, 929-419-0340. In some instances, it might be a good idea to text the client before to let them know that you will be calling directly from your account number. That might be different from your regular business line. When you click call, it may ask for a allow or block for your microphone. This applies to either your desktop or your mobile device when you're making a call. If you've already allowed this feature, when you click on call, you will get a screen that pops up with their last message, the microphone, and the speaker that you're using. You may want to test this with one of your coworkers to ensure that you are able to be heard and that you are able to hear the other end of the call. Once you click start call, it will immediately dial the 555-555-4321 number to Olivia from your Signpost number at the top, 929-419-0340. This will connect you with Olivia, and you can continue your conversation using the Signpost Messaging Hub. Now, let's go over a few helpful tips in order to make the most out of your calls from the Signpost Messaging Hub. Like we've already covered, it's important to look at the history of this client, see what their last touch point is, take a look at any relevant information that may be applicable to you on the call. This will help you hit the ground running and shows your customer that you're invested in their experience from start to finish. A quick recap or highlight of their previous service or interaction can also set a positive tone for the call and reassure that you are on top of your customer's needs. Making a call in the Signpost Messaging Hub is quick and easy. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any additional questions, and we are more than happy to help. Thanks for hanging out with Signpost.